Hey everyone, many times you might have an image that's rectangular or squarish in shape, and you might want to crop it so that it appears within a circular or elliptical border as shown here. This is fairly easy to accomplish if you're using PowerPoint, or there is another open source tool called Inkscape in which you can achieve the same result. In this video, let's look at how you can do this in PowerPoint and Inkscape. So let's open a new PPT here. Let me insert a picture from this device. Let me resize this image a bit. Whenever you insert any picture, you're going to see a new menu option called Picture Format. And within the Picture Styles menu, you can see a bunch of shapes into which this inserted picture can be cropped. For instance, you'll see that among these shapes, you have the option of an elliptical shape as well. And this elliptical shape comes with a border of black color, but you can go to picture border and change the color like so. You can also add a bunch of effects. If you're happy with the cropped image, you can right click and save it as a picture. Alternatively, you can click on Size and Position and edit the properties of the height and width of the crop. For instance, you can change the width and height of the crop. You can also change the position if you want to change where it appears. This is how you can crop an image into one of these shapes in PowerPoint. Let's next open up Inkscape and I'll show you how to achieve the same result. As I mentioned, Inkscape is an open source tool that you can use to edit and create pictures very quickly. The advantage of Inkscape is that it works with what's known as the SVG file type. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic. This means that your image is stored as a bunch of paths with lines and angles. Even if you magnify or zoom into the image, the resolution is not lost. So you can infinitely zoom into images without having to lose any clarity. These kind of file types are very useful when you create logos, for instance. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new document in Inkscape. Next, let's import the same picture by going to File, Import. Let me click on this screenshot. Let's accept the default import settings and import our picture. If you want, you can resize this image, but the better way is to go to Edit and choose the option that says Resize the page to the selection. This ensures that your page itself is resized to the selection. Next, what you want to do is select the shape to which you want to crop your image. In this case, let's choose a circular shape. You've chosen a circular shape. Let's give it a color. Let's change the opacity by clicking in the box next to O and give it an opacity of 50% or so that we can change the orientation of this image if needed. So suppose I want to crop it with this portion showing. I just move the circular shape or the elliptical shape to that portion of the image. Next, with the Select and Transform Objects option selected, hold the Shift key and select your original image and this elliptical shape. Go to Object, Clip, and choose the option that says Set Clip. You'll see that our original image has been clipped or cropped to this elliptical pattern. Let's go to the option Edit and choose the option Resize Page to Selection. Do Ctrl-Shift-E to export and save this image. Let me choose to save this image to the Pictures directory. Let's give it a name. Inkscape export, and by default Inkscape is going to export the images as PNG files and not JPG files. Open up our image and you'll see that your image has been cropped to the exact same position in the exact same shape that you chose it to. So this is how you can quickly crop your images in PowerPoint or Inkscape to a designated shape. You can also do this with other shapes in Inkscape. Let's try that with some other shape. Let's click New to create a new document. Let's once again import our image. Let's go to Edit and choose the option Resize Page to Selection. This time let's choose a polygon. Let's move the polygon to where we want to crop the original image to. Click on the option that says Select and Transform Objects. Then hold the Shift key to select both the polygon and the original image. Click the Object menu, choose Clip, Set Clip, and you'll see that your image has been resized. Now go to Edit, Resize Page to Selection, and then click Ctrl-Shift-E to export your selection as a PNG. Let's choose the default name of bitmap.png. As you can see, your original image that was rectangular in shape has been cropped to this polygonal shape with the portion that you wanted highlighted. So this is how easy it is to crop your images in PowerPoint and Inkscape. If you like this video, then let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching.